show another magic trick here. The amazing appearing finger. Okay?
Okay.
Now, this is really amazing.
It's serious.
It's serious. Okay, so what I do is I grab another arm. You can do this in the bar. Can't really bet on this one because, you know, I'm not asking you to do it. What you do is you take a napkin like this.
Okay.
And you notice I have no sleeves. Nothing here.
Okay.
Nothing here.
Right.
Nothing hidden in this area.
Okay.
And now watch this magic. The head. Magic word. Now circle. Go with your hand over it. Say abracadabra. With your hand. Put your hand here. Go abracadabra. Okay. Move back. This is serious. Move back. Ready? No, you can move back. Just a little bit more. Move back a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!